ki muktiar ni ki bangi joy khot kum ki plidar ha Meghalaya mentagasngi ki lay mi hasurak ban peni ke jing persya ban bu ke jing dawa ban weng yau Amit Kumar naga kam advocate general jong jela Meghalaya bat kila penremjur yagi kentin jong menteri ramba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ki baong bag sarkar kalong ke badan bok bandan yau Amit Kumar kum muktiar jong sarkar namar Uneu Amit Kumar haga jika ban aikam ki muktiar ke jela wanra ban daki muktiar ki banabar ke jela ban pentri kam hapo ke jela Meghalaya ki dikhot jong ke High Court Bar Association ban Shillong Bar Association mentagasi ki lapan yak jingyak pedba lanek rally yak belas sedang nanduk office jong ke High Court Bar Association sya Civil Point Lower Lachmere ban 15 yang sya office jong ke association hagane ki jingyak rally ki muktiar ki lara-ru ki pelakat bat ki banar ki bala dawa yau Kumar ban hiar nagakam advocate general la ban kedau bahagi jingki jong ki nong ya saj an ha Meghalaya ki don dagi jing boycott code ka jing pha ye ki resolution ki jing yalang bat ki jing ki halor ki mat jong ka legal profession henrei ka jing simrai mentakasin ban mi da ka bayai rally ka dei ki jing ki ka bala kham tang e jong ki nong ya saj an hapo ka jela Meghalaya ha ka jing ki la sakhiru ye ka jing thang ye ka dor tang shop jong Amit Kumar ha ka baki nong ya saj an gila ra ru ye ki jing tho ki ba penrem ki bala tho Amit go back but Amit Kumar step down ki banar ki badan ye ka dor bat ka kerteng jong Kumar ki penpauru ye ki jing dawa ban weng no ye u habakaran sikilat pathai khubor u secretary ke Shillong Bar Association u ba TL Jerwa rengkat bat advocate u Kishore Gautam kila penpau ye ki jing bom hun halor ki jing kren jong menteri rangba ki ong baga jingiro jong konrad ke sangma yau Amit Kumar hakapor ke baki association kidang dawa ban weng ye u kala nang penjur ye ke jing bitar bat ke jing bom hun hapdeng kinong ye saj ai kinong kren ki ong ba gani ke kenhun jong kinong isai an kila dep ban pha da jing tho syak sarkar ha ka bagila penpau ye ke jing e bar ke jing artin jong ki henrei ki kenno baga jawab jong menteri rangba ka pensngau ye ki baga sarkar kam pediang ye ki jing dawa jong ki kila ongru bagi jingkren jong menteri rangba kila long ku menang the ong pediang ha ka ding ka bala kelang bat ki pensai bagana ke jing ki kini ke jing penpau ye ke jing bom hon jong ka kenhun kinong isai an bat kadai ka ba om tang gajing e jong katto ka nengut ki breu ki ong ba gajing dawa ban weng ye u kami na ki jing le jong u ki ba yedai bat gor kom trikam jong u kum advocate general kila kedawru bagi nong ya sa nyai nang ki kenhon ba per ki lawan sim bentalang ha kene gajing ki
that we've been able to come out in such huge numbers. I am grateful from the bottom of the heart. I bow down to all of you. We always bow down in court. Today I bow down in front of our members. Thank you so much.
In various courts of Meghalaya and elsewhere in northeastern region. I have been also a member of the teaching faculty of the Shillong Law College and was also the principal of Shillong Law College. I haven't seen any such gathering for a issue which has touched the sentiments of the entire bar of the Meghalaya High Courts and Shillong Bar Associations and other bar association of the state of Meghalaya. I would only like to point out one or two things. The first thing is this, that it is no doubt the prerogative of the Chief Minister to appoint a Chief Minister, to appoint an Advocate General. But the prerogative cannot be an absolute prerogative. The Chief Minister cannot pick up a person from the road and say that he is your Advocate General. There has to be some guidelines and some norms which are required to be followed for appointment of the Advocate General of the state of Meghalaya. Another thing which I would like to point out, that there have been a tradition in Meghalaya to appoint a person as an Advocate General from the members of the High Court Bar Associations, and that tradition have been discontinued by the present government in the case of appointment of the Mr. Amit Kumar as an Advocate General of the state of Meghalaya. And so much so, he has appointed the number of his friends from Delhi who have no link with the state of Meghalaya. We have more than 1,000 people practicing in the Shillong High Court Bar Association and Meghalaya High Court Bar Associations.
Bar Association skill awan Mitch Khman dan ayah ka press release halor ke ba jia dan ke kita ki mat jadi jinge khi ki chuni ila ada ka tin phareng ya kan ko pol na ko ban keren apa da ka kasi khanan ani batai na du sedang khanan ba ki pai ba jo kan ka jella kini ya suthu lang ya balai balai ni khi kumne ti akabani kong akadan betul ke jingja ba syak kena uwe u plidar ulale lemakor ia kataka intern nani ka kena ka brang long under training hakni ka kam an ti hadin kataka jingle lemakor kuma pilatip kala don kataka jing shimti ya ka an ada di we na kisang balang dak ka bagi syok ki dak ti hadin kataka ki ia lam penjayo polis besar kendai lat itu di batnanta anda kila ada shot dat pen ya ya unta pada kita kejiman sa wajib kisali ai pada kisah file ke FIR kisah surrender ski kulit ti ni kumki nongisakan ni omba buriu boleh kam senyu budi banat ai tangba kam dai bat kemba manu kinuan simer ai kti nomor beli kani kalong ka jing keno nomor manu kila ban syak keno bakile keno kakam bat hadin bakadon kum kata ka jing keno habang idon hakani ka imlang salang ka badon ki an ki kanun kakamram kalong ba nakaliang jong kita kinong syak ban ben kinlek siki pulit kenang baki pulit kinlek ka badan kam da bakin tokit ka kakam bat baladalap bagi lale syai kam ka an ka don ban stom lagi andre kam dai bat kenya nino begin shimek anya kti nomor what malada what if ini om lanina ba utau brio bisa kena la syah kut lak ba o ka dai tang ka jing don daw pangam ong ni brio andre in general malada ni shim ulum ya ka jing jakam bahar hi ban shimek anya kti ti hadin bagi don da kata ka jing sngo ka jing sutu ti ni kum ka kenhun joki nong esakan ja kabadai na ka Shillong Bar ban ka High Court Bar ni elect ni kendo ya Chief Justice jong ka High Court of Meghalaya da ka ba ni pen pau ba pai dadon kum kani ka jingja ti subha ba fin nakaliang ka joki ba fin pai nama beli ban ailat kum ni ba ubri un shimek anya kti kamlong ka ba ba baki pulet ru haba hi nomor beli ni penpau du apa Chief Justice ba kani ka khandai ladi ka de jaka ka babun ki CCTV ka ba ka police control room ka tebait la dan kan hono ka jingja ba mo ka balong law and order situation lani ki jing klumar tin reha badan kum ka taru kamdan kata nakaliang juga police bakin yashim bakin yawan ban pen jajai ya kata ka jingja andre buri kla show la dat kla parit ta ter ti adu benda pois ta sadar PS ti ke issue juga kalau very simple kare bitang kata mindai ban ailat ami sikman bayano inoru bikin simek anya ti lada ule kam sniu lada kadan ka an limba ki pulit so bikin tokit bat hadin kata kadan ka an ban lada lalap limba kata ka jingi tokit ulale ka ka amen pin stop bat nakalian jungi ke Shillong Bar lek mo pi marsin tip ka to ka jingja nomor ka long ka lapoi ka media ni la suspend ya uni ubalik sniu ma bat ni ka suspension ka long ba lada ladap kata ka jing tokit lada lalap ba ulale si syai kam kemut ya kata jenglong member hapo kan ka association ke jungiru nginter menit no kita di kesenjang ke jungi bengilale ti halor jong kata ka jingilek jungi bani kendu chief justice ila sim khia ya kata ka mat ka bengilara but ila file ya kata ka sumoto writ petition kemut ba ka dia kata ka case baka high court hi kala simti da ka ba la pelong parti yang ni kumki association kata ka long shillong bar ka high court bar bat nakaliang persya ketika state kemut ketika jelah nama belai haba ya kum kata ke state kedai bihidupan ai ka jubab ka kot nomor bakum bangong pi kani ke jingja kalong ni penpa ka dia ke failure nakaliang ke state government ban nomor belai apa ka imlang salang ka don kata ki biki ka state mechanism lani kata ka kom trikam nakaliang jong ke state bat haba dan kanu ka crime lani ke jingshim ka anya kti kasta state mechanism ke dina kalian pulet ke mati lakam dia kata ka kies hadin bakal don ka hearing ka first hearing ke dia ka live way tarik bat hadin kata apa ka sedana ka live tarik ka live way tarik to layak kata ka jingeta po ka iya ka syari po ai kot ndre ka live tarik pat jong August arja nrio ke ik baja ka long bana kalian jong ka high court ka kadang keli ya ka ya uni Amit Kumar bade advocate general kat bana keli ba boleh kita ki state police ma kimla bante lakam nomor boleh kalau BI bakin ailat ini nomor boleh kana du supreme court ru kalau dan ki ruling ki judgments ki jongka hirai ki jongka ba omsha yano bikin shime ka anyakti kata ki baki omwa ka mob violence ma kende bansha bandan kata ka mob violence dan dia kata ka mob lynching banile bor bai dopai ba ban si so bom te kata ka supreme court ru la karan syai tikat padang dan padang kata ka jingsha kali ke bejur na kali yang ka high court ka poi pun ban sya ka ba UEG uni Amit Kumar Bunong ba jingsha kan ni jingja boro kaja nomor ka bar association kala fail ba ka kanhon jungi ka bar ila fail ki baniada ki kentai tika jingkali jungi kalong balada kaja kamar kani ke jingja kumansyong lipi kamde bajah po bar association ke jungi kaja ke private chamber lama kamu private office jong tau nongle pakata ka jing ya keno kan ba udan kata ka jing lesnya kaja ke private chamber jingkali hangi kolombai lada ka complain singi kemuan lada kanu ke jing ujor singi kemuan tu kumno pin kan tho bangi ke bar feel te kumu nak kaliang jungi kum ke bar association kabadan sipun ba ngile ke bar association gidan kikin thai hadu news pangot kisin ragi di saus patam te kumu ngi kum ke bar association kum ke hon jiki lawyers ngil ngi im kata ka environment lani kata ka hukum yasham kum kita kin hon haka balong jajai ke dak jingi ji buram mar kaliang kum kita ki legal professional kum kita ki beri petre kini ka kam ka jungi tinggi kum ki bar association ni ngomong ga nyata kejingkeran ka jong nomor beli claim dan kita ki baru sesu kata ku uang ba kala ajudan ki kies ba mensuaru ka belaja tinggi kum ka bar association ni la fail tinre da ka buburam mi pinga pensyai ba kam pajudan kum kata nomor hangi kam judan kata ka complain pila ba ni verify nanu ngi kum ka bar association balik ni ki kentai menta ki bodan apa bar association jo ngiru ni mi lenti nomor ngisgo kum papi uni ubreu ubam de utau hot jo ni ka bar association ke jungi kam tamba wa shalom bar tip ye ukulai ban kan tho nomor beli de utau banang ni nakani ka jalan de member jungi tibat iu ka suk ban kan tho banong ba are kani ka bar association jungi ni ki shalom bar association kadi ka jaka ka ba ailat wek kita kinong les new bakan ja po kata ka kanhon ka jongki tingi kum ka association ni sumong nga kata ti andai la sumong kay bang ilale lingba u council bar represent ni po ka to ka repetition ka barana po ai ko ngila tho kata ka city da ka ban panju bab ding naw ni Amit Kumar banong ba to ai ni kata kalis ka ba fi ambala buon ba kita ki jingja muchwa to ai ni kata kalis hanangin yo ban baik kini kita ki nong sya ban ban lada kum ko bar ngin le ke badan kam lada don boleh sniu ngin sim action bat kum ka terter ngin ya itu sedu ko kat doa baik ngin support ru kita ki nong sya ban ban Tin rei kabasuk laban uai ngi kata ka reply dah ka boong ba ngamla ban ai pi ta kilis ngamla ban ai te berlada kita ki basya ban ban de ki mon chapi ngamla li ai tu kemut ni kum ka kenuhun jugi muktiar ni syambai bahkan ni ka de tang ka jing penthok bria ka jong nu brio hapo ko open court but kawai ru ka bangi kum ka kenuhun ni sukhya kalong ba nomor kini ki proceeding mo kini ki jingyai mo ko dema po court kamta ma po high court kadon kata ka live streaming ka baki ong kamu mut ba phila ban pe nakano kono ka jaka link ba ka YouTube nomor kidan kata ka YouTube channel jong ka high court ka baki la ban pe tingi ong ba kani ka jing long keren lap lap jong ni breu tang ban ya dai le di nomor ula yo kita ji kali na kalian ko manglap batai mena na kalian ka court kala kali ji kali balai kita ki pulit ki mlaban control le kata ka situation bakum ka bala create kata ka law and order ukuran kami katakan tian lap lap, mah tang mania dai lagi ban divert lagi ban penhi kata kejemut jaga kot sawai pan. Ngingi ong what if lada kataru kelada na ka live stream. Ngingi ong bai hato kam desi baka kejela kari lagi ka perthai bor ko bai kanyo kata ka khubor. Kababakala ban ong bangi kum ka kenuhun joki muktiar ang shalom ngide ki bailat lani ki bayada yakini ki nong lesneu. Termasuk jarang kat pat aku tugas ni ketua live stream hapo ke court to chief justice ka kelam long live kai tingi syukurman ba alis kam dadon kata ka damage mah hadu kat kata.
And a brief about why we took out the rally today. We gave a press conference last time, but just to give you a brief thing why we came out in large numbers. You are all aware about the case of a molestation of an intern, where a lawyer was also, assaulted by non-state actors. And we, as the Joint Bar Association, had approached the Honorable Chief Justice only on the limited aspect that some non-state actors took law into their own hands. And the High Court had registered a sumo to WPC. So in the course of that hearing of that WPC, Mr. Amit Kumar, while trying to defend the state, made some very derogatory remarks. He went on to say that women are not safe in the Bar Association. And when we wanted to, ask him, and he said that he also had received complaints in the past about women not being safe in the bar. Of course, it was something which we did not like, and we confronted him. We asked him to furnish the details. If such details were there, then we have robust bar associations over here. We would have taken action. But instead of giving a reply, he ended up sending a very lengthy reply, a 13-page reply in the WhatsApp group of both the bar association, which was in very, very poor light. Basically, he was trying to challenge us. See, it was a very, very small incident. It was him who kept on trying to put fuel into fire. You must have seen that in the media time and again articles are being published by people who are not practicing in the state of Meghalaya. You see there are articles being published by being defamed every now and then, and especially in one of our leading dailies, where ours whatever press brief we give, whatever our side of the story we want to put across to the media is not being projected in the media. So thereafter a lot of other things also happened. Time and again, there was an instance where we received a resolution, not officially by the way, a resolution by the Supreme Court Bar Association, asking us to take the happy with his conduct in the court. And also there are a lot of other things also. We have come to learn there are a lot of other things that which he has done, which is not very conducive to the office which he holds. Apologize before us. He has kept on trying to undermine the legal fraternity in the state of Meghalaya. Every now and then, sometimes it is the Supreme Court Bar Association which makes a request or rather commands us to withdraw our resolutions. Sometimes it is the letter from the AOR Association showing solidarity to Mr. Amit Kumar. Numerous articles are being published defaming us, saying that we are against him because Mr. Amit Kumar has stood for safety of women in the bar. So because of all that, we last time when we wrote to the government, we wrote to the Honorable Chief Minister. Now the saddest part is what I'll tell you is, after we wrote a letter to the Chief Minister demanding his removal, in the letter we have highlighted a lot of other things as well. Not only that submission making thing. We are, as it is, not very happy having an adverse intern from outside. We have a lot of lawyers over here, very talented ones at that. Now, instead of replying to us, our Honorable Chief Minister has, replied to us through Mr. Amit Kumar himself. In a way, he's not actually apologized in that letter. He has tried to say that he regrets whatever he says in court. But the saddest part is, 24th August, we had a general body meeting of all the bar associations. Because we realized that nothing was coming forth from the government was not with us, the government was not paying any heed to our demands. So we decided to call for a general body meeting of all the bar associations all over the state. You see, we have different bar associations in different districts, every district has its own bar association. So the entire bar associations all over Meghalaya send their, some delegates were sent. Those who could not send the delegates send a unanimous resolution saying that we support whatever resolution is adopted in the general body meeting which was conducted on the 24th of August. So on that day, same day when we had the meeting at the same time, we saw a video circulating in social media wherein our Honorable Chief Minister has said that we are very, very pointed out the reason why we are demanding for his removal. But on the other hand, Honorable Chief Minister goes on to say that we are very, very lucky to have somebody like Amit Kumar who has come all the way from Delhi, leaving his practice and being here as an advocate general. Now see, that undermines every single lawyer who is over here. Without, in fact, no audience was given to us. We were never even called. We could have been called. We had submitted a resolution of both bar associations along with a detailed letter about the reason about our grievances. We were never called. Instead of calling us, the letter is replied, sent back to Mr. Amit Kumar. Amit Kumar sends a reply to us, and thereafter, Honorable Chief Minister comes in the media and shares a clip wherein he says that Amit, we are very, very lucky to have Amit Kumar, and we are very, very disappointed with that statement. Very, very disappointed. In fact, we should have been called once, and by making such a statement that we are lucky to have Amit Kumar undermines the very protest which we have started. See, we are not one or two people having any vested interests. You can see today the number of lawyers who came out in the streets. This is the first time in the history that lawyers have come out in the streets like this in our state. We are otherwise a very well-behaved bar association. You'll see, you people are in the media, you'll definitely see how other bar associations behave outside, how they assert their rights. We have been very, very democratic always, but today the reason why we came out in large numbers is because we want to show not only to Mr. Amit Kumar but also to the Honorable Chief Minister that we are not very happy with the statements made in the media and we still want to demand for his removal. That is all what I want to say. He has hurt our sentiments even more. We demanded a removal of a person saying that he has made certain statements in the court, and also the other anomalies which we have pointed out, which will of course give you a press release after we receive details in the RTI. But instead of paying heed to our demand, Honorable CM has gone on to say that we are lucky to have Mr. Amit Kumar. So that, in fact, it's like pouring more fuel to the fire. But thereafter, you see, in many matters, we see his entire chamber is running through through Meghalaya, the resources of Meghalaya. Everybody in his chamber, or his juniors in Delhi, are regularly appearing for the state government. They are not members of the bar also, depriving our own members, our lawyers, local lawyers from here of opportunities. Not only that, he has also appointed his own son to represent the state of Meghalaya in the Supreme Court. And we have come to learn that there are other anomalies also. We file RTIs about a lot of other things. See, the amount of money which is also spent on not only on Mr. Amit Kumar but also on this outstation lawyers is huge. It's very huge for a small state like us.